y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I am here to give thanks, but also the biggest shout out. Let me tell you something. First, let me just say this. I'm going to try not to keep this too long, and I'm going to try not to get emotional. Actually, keeping it too long and getting emotional, I can break that promise at any point. Because I have been so touched. Not because of this. Not because of this at all. And I'm going to share with this with you as well. But everything Mormy. Her name is Mel. And I know many of y'all know her. But there are many of y'all who do not. Because that lady needs her channel huge. And I'm going to tell you why. Because there are not as many people out in this world who care truly about humanity like she does. And this is me being real. The very first, and maybe I'm wrong, maybe it was the second video of hers that I ever commented on, and she can let me know which one it was, but I think it was the first. The thing that I had commented on was, what is it about you that is drawing me so much? And that's true. She just drew me in, and I don't know if it was instinct. I don't know if it was just her personality. I don't know what it was. But I can tell you that whatever it was proved to be right. This woman is simply amazing. And has one of the biggest hearts. And let me tell you why. She had decided, no matter where you lived, it could be which she's from Canada. But you didn't have to live in Canada. She just wanted to send happy mail. She wanted to bless somebody. And so she had asked all her viewers to comment somebody that you nominate. Who do you think is deserving of something? And I knew exactly. I knew exactly the person. And the friend that I nominated is just, the person that I decided to choose came straight to my heart. And it's because she has one of the biggest hearts. Her and Mel, with everything Mormy, and I'm not going to give her name out, because I will let her, if she wants to announce herself, she can announce it in the comments. But I'm just not going to do that, because this wasn't about who does what. Now, I'm giving Mel a shout out just because she's an amazing person. But my friend, on the other hand, she's also amazing. But there's just some things that need to be kept private. So I'm going to keep that private. If she wants it to be known, she'll leave a comment. But here's the thing. I nominated my friend. And I mean, I have grown to love her so much. And Mel had contacted me and said, hey, give me a little bit of information. And the one thing that Mel talks about on her channel is not just hearing what somebody has to say, but listening. And Mel, you may not know this, but I was just talking to my friend that you sent the package to. I was just talking to my friend about that exact day. That you had contacted me, and she had told me that people, well, she said she felt like some people didn't listen to what she had to say, on certain topics, not every topic. And I did. I mean, I listened, because that's the one thing about me. And like I said, y'all, I'm keeping this real, and I'm not trying to boast, but one of my best things, I hope I'm a great mother. I hope I'm a great wife. And I hope I'm a great Gigi grandmother. I'm known as Gigi. But one of my goals in life, besides being a great Christian, is to be the best friend I can be to whoever I am friends with. So, I'm sorry, I'm kind of just rambling on. But the thing about Mel is that she had asked me about my friend that I had nominated on her channel. And I told her several things. I even told her an idea that I had. And it wasn't meant for Mel to do anything. I just told her an idea that I had. And the next thing I know, Mel said, I'm doing it all. And I'm like, okay, well, thank you. I mean, and I even cried because of Mel's email. I mean, it touched me because she read my soul. She read it. She picked up on how I felt, what I try to do, and the life I try to live. I'm sorry. When people read my heart, that means something to me. I apologize. But anyway, my friend called me, messaged me today, crying. Because she was so happy and so blessed. And she had such a rough week. Y'all have no idea what she went through this week. And she goes through on a daily basis. But she called me crying, telling me thank you and how she's going to thank Mel and everything. But the thing is that blessed me. I had a rough day yesterday. And because her calling me and being touched and feeling like she did not deserve that, honey, she deserved it and then some. I mean, y'all have no idea how much these two ladies are amazing. And although financially, I could not bless my friend the way that Mel did. I can do a little bit here and there. But I can't do a lot. But to know that somebody else took my advice and touched somebody that was so amazing, blessed me in a way that I can't describe. That made me happy. I didn't need one thing. Not one. That made my week. And Mel, I just want to tell you thank you so much. And from the bottom of my heart, I cannot tell you what a blessing it was for you to bless my friend like that. So thank you. Now, on to the goodies. Because Mel did a little hidden giveaway. But just like Mel, she's not going to draw one person. She decided everybody who commented the secret word was getting something. So, again, I apologize. But, so, she had sent me my little goodie prize because I had commented the word. And so, y'all, for her to do this, she's in Canada. She pays a lot for shipping for even just a small package like this. And so let me show you. Now, I have to give you a little bit of warning. Isn't that package, cute with the little stickers? The little kitty cord. I want to save these, and I love that. Love and thanks. I adore her so much, y'all. I really do. But now, I'm going to give you a little bit of warning. Sorry, Mel. I was showing my 14-year-old daughter my package, and she saw this. She goes, that's cute. Pop. And then she started digging in it. So I apologize for that. I did not want it open, but I am glad it made her happy. And then she took out this little paper right here. And there's a little choke in here. And it says, what do you call a bullfighter in quicksand? Cuatro Cinco. Now, she also wanted to know what all this foreign language is. So she decided to Google it. Turns out it's French, from what I understand. But it doesn't make sense. So maybe if it's not French, maybe it was something else. I don't know. But anyway, it was just very odd. But so she spent some time in looking that up. And so that gave her my 14-year-old, some giggle time. And so there's the paper banner in there. Isn't that cute? And then, let's see. I don't even know, because like I said, my daughter, I think there's something else. But these are little crackers, and I think they're so cute. Now, I'm going to use these, because what do us crafters do? We're going to reuse everything. And I love the polka dots, but I love that little face. Isn't it cute? And then there's some cute little stickers. Don't think I won't use them, because I will. They are too cute. And I'm sure my 14-year-old will get some of it. These look like they're like what we get, like runts. That sweet candy buns. And it looks like, oh, one of those table scatters. Yay! We haven't had anything like that here. I know other people said there's a bone and a bat. That looks like Smarties. Is that Smarties? It says rockets. Candy money. Anyway, then of course, you know, the candy necklace. And then I believe she did these Halloween treat bags. Are they not cute? I think she hauled this package and I love it. I'm saving it. And then of course the sweet, sweet Halloween stickers. And because, oh, I'm sorry. I'm not even paying attention to the glare. I'm sitting here so excited about it. It's so cute because I have not, I mean, we just don't get this kind of stuff. I don't. Let's see. Yeah, this is Dollarama. Do we even have a Dollarama? I don't think we have a Dollarama in the United States at all. If we do, we definitely don't have it here in my state. But look how cute look at that cute, beautiful little witch. I love her. And the ghost. So cute. How awesome is that? And then all the iridescent, like, sheen and sparkle to it. Y'all know how I feel about my sparkle. Oh my goodness. Just look at her. She's so fancy with her little pearls. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And look at him giggle. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. I love stickers, y'all. I'm like hooked on stickers. Now, this was what she was giving away. And I know this was on her, if I'm not mistaken, her Dollarama haul. Yeah, her Dollarama haul. And this is Halloween tricks and treats and other nifty stuff. And I am so thankful I got one of these books. I'm surprised I actually did. Because I was kind of late getting my address in. Thank you, Bonnie, for doing that for me. I love you, sweetheart. But I love this book. I thought it was so neat. It includes 100 foil stickers, stencils, card, game, poster, fun tricks, and treats for scary Halloween parties. And I've already shared that I've done a Halloween party for my older two. And I actually have wanted to do an adult Halloween party. And I want to do one for my teenager, my 14-year-old that's still at home. I want to do one for her. Not ready to do it yet, but she just started her high school year, so maybe next year, her sophomore or junior year, I'd like to throw her a big party, Halloween party. But look, let me just flip through, because not everybody has seen it, and I'm telling y'all need to go check out Mel at Everything Marmy, and I will be leaving her link in the channel, and I'm telling you, if you are touched by a good heart, a good soul, a good spirit, she's the one to check out. I mean, she's just, oh my gosh, she's just so pure. Just so pure at heart. White as a Ghost and Meringue. Spooky. So these are some recipes. And actually, I've done some of these. Rest in peace. R.I.P. Coffin Treat Box. That sounds good for us paper crafters. Pumpkin face decorations. Meringue. Also, I love to do homemade candies, y'all. I don't know if y'all know that about me. I actually decorate cakes too. I don't do it often. Because it's very time consuming. And it's not really my thing. Those are cute. Those are cute, cute, cute. Now, I do y'all remember when Pillsbury actually had the actual chocolate cookies that had the little white ghost? Man, I wish they'd bring those out. I love those Pillsbury cookies. Now it's just all sugar cookie, and I'm sorry, I'm just not a fan. I know my BFF loves them, but it's not my thing. Creepy chocolate spiders. I'm sorry, I'm going to go a little bit faster because I know I've probably... Look at that. Shifty Frankenstein shadow. Huh, that's cool. Right up our paper crafting alley. But anyway, my best friend, she's all about sugar cookies and snickerdoodles, and it's just not my thing. I scream at bugs. But anyway, there's some recipes, and then look. And then there's obviously paper crafts, but look. Dreadful doorknob hanger. Look at these. Bat, witch, and pumpkin. Pumpkin face decoration. And then look, I know y'all gonna get some shine there, but that's all metallic faces. How neat. Look at those spiders. Oh. Yay. Pin the nose on the jack-o'-lantern. Oh my gosh, I gotta open that. I'm not gonna do it here, but I want to. Oh my gosh, I want to so bad. Oh, look at the stencils. Look at that. Oh my gosh, thank you, sweetheart. I'm so happy. Trina'd love that one. Trina's place, she'd love that. How cute. Thank you. I'm so blessed to get this, but I'm more blessed that you blessed somebody I love and care about. So thank you so much. And I hope y'all have an amazing weekend. May you know that your blessing is coming 10-time fold. And I know you're already blessed because you love blessing others. But I'm telling you, karma. Reap what you sow and you shall receive. Love you, girl. Thank y'all so much. If you've watched this long, and I'm sure it's probably long, I ain't even looked at the time. But I just want to thank y'all and appreciate it. Please check Mel out. She's an amazing, amazing lady. I wish you all the best. Have a blessed weekend, and we'll see you next time.